Good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to start the second chapter of DSBM, that is Forms of Business Organization. Okay. Generally, this topic is divided into 5 parts. There are 5 forms of business organization. First is sole proprietorship. Second is joint Hindu family business. Third is partnership. Fourth is joint stock company. And fifth is cooperative society. Okay. Generally, this topic is related to the business. Okay. So let us start with the first, sole proprietorship. Sole means what? Sole means self, own, स्वतःचं. Proprietorship, business. Sole proprietorship म्हणजे काय? जेव्हा आपण स्वतःचा बिझनेस स्टार्ट करतो, when we start our own business, that is called as sole proprietorship. Okay. In this form of business organization, one person is responsible for providing capital and facing risk of management. Okay. हे जे सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिप मध्ये आहे, जो एक ओनली वन पर्सन इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दिस बिझनेस. ओके. That's why he will provide the capital and whatever the risk occurs, he will face. Okay. Whenever in exam तुम्हाला कधी काय विचारलं की एक्सप्लेन सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिप, सो यू हॅव टू राईट 3 पॉइंट्स: फीचर्स, ॲडव्हान्टेज अँड डिसएडव्हान्टेज. ओके. आता आपण जे 5 फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन पाहतोय. ओके. यू हॅव टू राईट in exam. They will ask, write the features, advantage, disadvantage of sole proprietorship, or what is joint Hindu family business, what is partnership. So you have to write these 3 points, that is features, advantages and disadvantages. Okay. First you understand what is my sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship म्हणजे काय की स्वतःचा बिझनेस. When we start our own business, that is called as sole proprietorship. Let us see features. Features, in the features, the first point is single ownership. Okay. When we start the business in sole proprietorship, the business belongs to the single owner. Okay. Self. Whatever the capital is provided by the owner himself. Capital means money. Okay. Third, the business is controlled by the only one man. Okay. Sole means self business control, that is one man control. And whatever the profit is obtained, it is not shared, it belongs to only single owner, the businessman. Or whatever the loss is obtained, that is belongs to the single owner. So profit and loss is purely belongs to the owner himself, only one man. So only one man is responsible for doing the business in sole proprietorship. Let us see advantages. See, in sole proprietorship only one man is involved, so business formation and dissolution. Okay. आपल्याला बिझनेस लगेच स्टार्ट पण करता येतं आणि बंदही करता येतं. आपल्याला कुणाला विचारायची गरज नाही, कारण याच्यामध्ये पार्टनर्स आहेत. ओनली वन मॅन इज इन्वॉल्ड. दॅट्स वाय देर इज इझी फॉर्मेशन अँड डिझोल्युशन ऑफ द बिझनेस. Main point, business secrecy is maintained. Only one person is involved, therefore the secrecy of whatever the secret of the business, secrecy of the business is maintained by the owner himself. Decision can be taken by the businessman, only one man, and personal relation पण आपल्याला मेंटेन करता येतो. These are the advantages. Disadvantages, see, only one man is involved, therefore there is limited finance, limited amount of money. ओके. आपल्याकडे पैसा जास्त नसणार आहे. जेव्हा पार्टनर्स मध्ये असतो तेव्हा आपल्याकडे खूप पैसा असणार आहे. देर इज अ लॅक ऑफ ॲबिलिटी अँड स्किल्स. ओके. अँड देअरफॉर देर इज अ नॉट ग्रोथ, रेस्ट्रिक्टेड ग्रोथ, डेव्हलपमेंट नाही आहे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship means what? Only one man is responsible for doing the business, providing the capital and facing the risk of management. That is called as sole proprietorship. Next is joint Hindu family business. A business which belongs to single Hindu family. Okay, it is a family business. Okay, which is conducted by the Hindu family. That's why it is called a joint Hindu family business. In this business, the management and control of family business is generally in the hands of senior most male member known as Karta. Okay, the business is totally controlled or handled by the senior most member of the family. जो कोणी सिनियर मेंबर आहे फॅमिलीमध्ये त्याच्याकडे सगळे अथॉरिटी असणार आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज कर्ता. ओके, सिनियर मोस्ट मेंबर ऑफ द फॅमिली इज कॉल्ड ॲज कर्ता. ओके, फीचर्स. सी, कर्ता is only responsible for doing the business. Only male members are involved in the business, not the females. The business is not affected by the death of Karta. Even there is a death of Karta, the business is run by the other members of the family. There is whatever the profit and loss occur, it is shared between the members of the family, and capital is invested by the all the members of the family. That is features of joint Hindu family business. Advantages मध्ये काय, कर्ता has full power. कर्ताला unlimited powers are. Okay, कर्ता has full powers to run the business without interference of other members. There is sharing of profit and loss. Capital is invested by the all members of the family, and it is not affected by the business is not affected by the death of Karta. Disadvantage, say I already told you, that is Karta has unlimited authority. तो त्याचा मिसयूज पण करू शकतो. Other members are not benefited. No encouragement to work hard. Since the powers belongs to the Karta, there is no encouragement to the work hard. Sometimes Karta may misuse the freedom for his personal benefits. Karta कधी कधी काय करतो, त्याचे जे काही अथॉरिटी आहे त्याचा मिसयूज सुद्धा करू शकतो. ओके, समजा तुम्हाला सुरुवात पहिला सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिप म्हणजे काय. व्हॉट इज सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिप? इन दिस फॉर्म ऑफ बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन ओनली वन पर्सन. Sole means single person is responsible for doing the business, providing capital and facing a risk of management. Features क्या है? The business is totally belongs to the single owner. The capital is invested by the owner himself. The business is controlled by the only one man. And whatever the profit and loss is obtained, it totally belongs to the owner. Advantage काय आहे की ओनली फक्त एकच पर्सन इन्व्हॉल्ड असल्यामुळे काय असणार आहे ते इझी टू फॉर्म अँड इझी टू डिझोल्युशन. डिझोल्युशन म्हणजे तुम्हाला कधीही स्टॉप करता येते बिझनेस. मेन ॲडव्हान्टेज काय सिंगल प्रोप्रायटरशिपचं की बिझनेस सिक्रेसी मेंटेन करता येतं. जे काही लहान लहान गोष्टी आहेत, जे काही बिझनेसचे सिक्रेट आहेत, ओके, आपल्याला ते मेंटेन करता येतात. डिसिजन टेकन बाय द ओनली वन मॅन अँड ही कॅन मेंटेन द पर्सनल रिलेशन विथ द कस्टमर्स. डिसएडवांटेज काय आहे की सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिप हॅव्हिंग लिमिटेड फायनान्स. सिन्स ओनली वन मॅन इज देअर, सो देर इज अ लिमिटेड फायनान्स. पार्टनरशिप मध्ये कसं असतं की 2-3 पार्टनर असतात, त्यामुळे काय होतं, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट होतं. इथे एकच असल्यामुळे काय होणार, लिमिटेड फायनान्स. सेकंड काय, लिमिटेड एबिलिटी अँड स्किल्स. बिझनेसमॅनकडे सगळे ॲबिलिटी किंवा स्किल्स नसतात, आणि त्यामुळे का बिझनेसचं ग्रोथ रेस्ट्रिक्टेड होणार. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट सोल प्रॉपर्टी. जॉईंट हिंदू फॅमिली बिझनेस म्हणजे काय की हे फॅमिली बिझनेस आहे. हे कोण रन करत आहे? इट इज रन बाय द सिनियर मोस्ट member of the family, that is called as karta. Okay, remember the word karta. Karta means what? Karta is a senior most member in the family, that is called as karta. Features काय आहेत की only karta is responsible for doing the business. Male man means what? Only male members are involved for doing the business, not the female. Third point, business is not affected by the death of karta. Okay, suppose if the death of karta occurs, the business is run by the other family members. Next, sharing of profit and loss. Whatever the profit and loss obtained, it is shared by the members of the family. And capital is invested by all the members of the family. Advantage, karta has full powers to run the business without interference of other members. He can invest unlimited. Okay, so he can run the business according to his opinion. Okay. Next, sharing of profit and loss. Sharing of profit loss, it is shared by all the members. Capital is shared by all members, and it is not affected by the business is not affected by the death of karta. Disadvantage, I already told you that karta has unlimited authority. The other members are not benefited. Only karta is doing the business, so there is no scope to work hard for the other members, and sometimes the karta can misuse the freedom for his personal benefits. Okay, so in next lecture we will see other business organization. Okay.